Figaro and the Apprentice. Yes, Figaro. Yes. He come and smelled me. They're wondering. Hello again. In building our own home, the first part of our roof-in plumbing is 99% completed. My husband installed the main pipes components such as the drain pipes, waste pipes, and the vent stack to the side of the house. And as always, we had to do repeated trips to the store to get more of the needed parts. This is the downstairs bathroom, who also is going to function as a laundry room. Because of the extra space needed, we had to offset the bathtub past the middle beam of the house. The tub is placed perpendicular to the joists, making harder to install the pipes. But all went well. This is the final drop of the waste stack that is going straight outside into the 4 inches pipe connected to the septic tank. We were thinking that this stretch was the last connection to the septic line.
So finally we connect all the plumbing in a house to the septic system, and we change our mind couple of times, of course. I supposed to have over there another small sink for the basement, but we decide actually not to do it with the regular plumbing, just put the bucket under and that's it. It's too complicated, too many things to do. Like I will have to actually make a hole inside in a wall, and it's thick with concrete and a lot of rebars. So wherever I will make that hole, I'm gonna hit the rebars, and I don't want to do that. It's too complicated, and the sink here under the house will be barely used, and then we will have a problem with evaporation of the pit trap, and always we will have to remember that and put water in a pit trap. So we get rid of that. And I finish it, but we remember that we're gonna have another addition to the house, so I need to take that pipe to connect it with the main septic one. So I'm gonna have to go and connect right there for the future addition to the house. So I'm gonna have to make a cut and add another pipe. Like always, when you when you are not professional, you're gonna make mistakes, and actually you're gonna have to correct that. But I'm happy I connected and everything looks good. This pipe over here is for cleaning, and the one that I did it there and by mistake didn't think too much. It's gonna be also for cleaning, and I have on all the way back I have another cleaning place where I can actually clean the pipe in case that is needed. And hopefully tomorrow I'm gonna finish all this, and I will fix the tub, and in that way actually I can test the system. And I have only one thing remaining for the venting all the way up to all close with the roof. I have to buy the um, the cap, yes, the cap that it's attached to the house, and that way I can put the pipe through the wall and to look nice from outside. and then I can say that I finished the plumbing for the house. And for the plumbing at the bathtub, we have to improvise because the regular kit is not working for us. I had to do an angle instead of straight, and because the bathtub it's a different dimension, it's not like standard, and I did it in an angle. That way, I can have a P trap installed and not get in trouble with the support beams under. So we're gonna show you exactly what I did later on. So as I said, the overflow cannot go straight down because I have the construction under the support beam, and I have to divert it in this way, and I modify a little bit. And actually now if you use too much water and you forgot about it, actually the water is going to go down, and I'm going to have I have a P trap under. In that way you will not I will not get all that smell back in the house. And I just improvise this one, and most of the time you will have people improvising too, because you see how the design is on a bathtub. It's different. It's not like a standard one, and the idea is just to have the water working. It's not about following exactly what they have in a store. So you just have to buy the things and make them work, and that's what we did. We connected, and it's easy to do it. You just dry feed them, be sure that they are actually how it's supposed to be, and then don't forget you're gonna have to leave an angle, and that way actually the water can flow freely. Will flow even if you make a mistake, but you're gonna have some water stuck inside if you don't do it in an angle. But it's easy job. If anybody can do it. You will do it slower, but anybody can do this. Anybody can connect and glue it together and put it all together. The only thing I have to do it now, I have to unscrew this and use putty plumbing and put it back, and then will be no leakage around, and that's it. That's gonna be our
Tokik.
yeah.
Over the past winter, we heard from some of our new friends that their pipes to the septic system had been frozen.
So we dug all the way down to the pipe for the septic because it's outside and we want to insulate it better. So what we did, we cover and we use 2-inch foam, which is 10R, and that way we will not be worried when it's minus 32 degrees Fahrenheit or something like that, that we will have problems with the septic system freezing. So maybe it's an overkill, but better to be safe than actually having problems in the middle of the winter. And to dig close to the pipe, done by the shovel and a small hammer, and that way I will not break any pipes.
Sorry, the noise is from our AC unit that is working like crazy because it's super, super hot right now. He's looking at us. He's like, come outside. Come on outside. Let's go outside. We have visited some new friends and I was impressed by their garden. I could not stop and put some of the pictures in. Maybe one day we are going to have a full video in their garden. Thank you so much for watching our video. Please share and subscribe if you haven't done so. It's more to come anyway. And don't forget, we are doing this because we wanted to be debt free and healthy.